Hi, this is Mardy once again and welcome to my channel. Hey everyone, this is Mardy and today I'm diving into the life of a true Filipino legend, Diomedes Maturan. Known as the Golden Voice of the Philippines and lovingly dubbed the Perry Como of the Philippines, Maturan left an unforgettable mark on both the music and film industries. From his iconic Queen on Tawag ng Tanghalan to his heartfelt ballads that still resonate with fans today. His story is one of talent, passion, and legacy. Stick around as we take a closer look at his journey, his impact, and why he continues to be remembered as one of the best voices to ever come out of the Philippines. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. At para updated kayo sa mga susunod kong videos, please click the bell notification below. At sana po, don't skip the ads and please watch until the end of my video. Diomedes Maturan, affectionately known as the Perry Como of the Philippines and the Golden Voice, was a beloved Filipino singer and actor. He gained national recognition after winning the prestigious singing competition Tawag ng Tanghalan in 1955, where his rendition of the song Rose Tattoo captured the hearts of audiences across the country. Si Maturan ay pinanganak noong August 16, 1940 sa lungsod ng Bacolod na matatagpuan sa lalawigan ng Negros Occidental sa Pilipinas. Mula sa murang edad, nagpakita siya ng likas na talento sa pag-awit na sa kalaunan ay magtutulak sa kanya sa katanyagan. Ang kanyang maagang pagkakalantad sa musika at ang kanyang pagkahilig sa pagganap ay naglatag ng pundasyon para sa kanyang tagumpay sa hinaharap sa industriya ng entertainment. Maturan's breakthrough moment came in 1955 when he won Tawag ng Tanghalan, a popular radio singing contest. Ang kanyang malakas, madamdamin na boses at maayos na paghahatid ng Rose Tattoo ay nakatulong sa kanya na maging kakaiba sa kanyang mga kapantay. This victory launched his career and solidified his status as one of the country's premier vocalists. His unique sound earned him comparisons to American crooner Perry Como, and he became known for his heartfelt ballads and smooth vocal style. Bukod sa tagumpay niya bilang mga awit, nakipagsapalaran din si Maturan sa pag-arte. Ginawa niya ang kanyang debut sa pelikula sa 1960 na pelikulang Butika sa Baryo at nagpatuloy sa pagbuo ng kanyang presensya sa industriya ng entertainment sa Pilipino. Ang kanyang mga kontribusyon sa parehong musika at pelikula ay nag-iwan ng pangmatagalang epekto sa Filipino pop culture. Diomedes Maturan passed away on April 7, 2002 at the age of 61 after suffering a heart attack in the city of Manila. His death marked the loss of one of the Philippines' most cherished vocalists. He is remembered not only for his musical talent, but also for his enduring legacy as a figure who brought warmth, emotion, and a touch of class to Filipino entertainment. Thank you very much for watching. And according to a famous quote, life is better when you're laughing. Special thanks to my source from Google, enwikipedia.org, photo credits to themoviedb.org, and inspirational quote credits to developgoodhabits.com.